it is a beautiful day. Just got home from the city and unloaded the truck. And now I'm gonna go pick cherries. Not very many, but look at even the meat birds follow me now. The meat birds are going to freezer camp tomorrow. Going to the train station. So I'm gonna try and get this little tree. These ones are pretty ripe, and that other tree, they're all still pretty much green. But for now, I'll get what I can out of this tree. I'm not going to pick all of them. I'll pick the ripest of them. They just fall off so easily. I don't know if I'm supposed to pick this stem or not. The stems aren't coming off very easy, so I'll just see what I get, I guess. Big crop. Easier to do it without a bowl in your hand. Just pick the reddest ones. Lots of them are still small and not even. Oops. No, Goldie. Sheesh. Oh, you might be right. I was thinking about bringing the pail, but I didn't think there would be that many. Did she take a cherry? Oh, one that was on the ground. I just can't believe how loaded this little tiny tree is. Chris has gone to get the pail. He was right. There's way more than I thought. I thought I was going to get that cereal bowl full. But definitely a lot more than I was expecting, which is good. Already. My goodness. Gonna get 2 pies or some jam. Pails filling up fast. Look at this. You lift the branches up and there's just millions of cherries. Never mind, Goldie. There are so many grasshoppers, and a lot of them are like teensy weensy little miniature grasshoppers. There's a lot of them that are red, but look at this. But they're not quite ripe enough. But these low ones are ready for picking. Well, the pail is full, and there's still tons of cherries on there that aren't ripe yet. Some are like half ripened. There's still a bunch that are just, they're green, like the other tree. They're not even starting to ripen yet. So we're definitely going to get another pail full out of here. So way more than last year. I picked a small bowl full last night, and there's already some more ready. They just slip right off there. You can see the part of the top part of the little cone when they're ready to come off. But there's going to be lots more of these. Yeah, nice big one. I just picked these yesterday, and there's tons of them starting to go red, but I'm going to wait another day or two. I'd have to throw a net over these things, keep the feathered beasts out. Somebody's got to mow this orchard again. Ugh. Freckles, don't get caught in the net. Buddy just got caught in it when we were putting it back on to keep him. Oh, Buddy. So last year I got something like 5 cups, just enough to make 1 cherry pie. Jeez. So that is a huge difference over last year, 1 year. And I think we'll probably get a pail off the big one too. Going from 5 cups of cherries to 3 pails would be pretty awesome. Now as far as cherries go, this old recipe says to use 2 cans of pitted red tart cherries, 2 16-ounce cans. Well, I'm not buying canned cherries, so let's look at this other recipe. This is one of my favorite books, Wanda's Pie in the Sky. And there's a lot of awesome recipes in here, and of course this says Ontario sour cherry pie. I'm originally from Ontario, and that's where we grew up with sour cherries. You just can't find them here in Alberta. But this calls for 6.5 cups of pitted sour cherries, fresh or frozen. You can't even find them frozen here, so that's why I'm so excited about the trees. We used to be able to go to the farm center and just buy great big buckets of these frozen, but you can't find them here. So 6.5 cups pitted. So I'm gonna weigh the pail, and then I'm gonna have to pit them and see how much weight it takes to get 6.5 pounds so that I can package them like that for the freezer. That's what I like to do. So I can just take out 1 bag and then, you know, add the other ingredients and make my pie. Oh, look at that basket in the picture. That's what I was used to when growing up. Oh my goodness. Maybe someday, maybe next year. So I'm just going to see what I have in pounds here. Oh my goodness, the bowl's not even going to hold them. Okay, barely. Not even used to getting such a big bowl for picking stuff. I'm so used to just getting like a cereal bowl of something. So that is just over 3 pounds. Now I will wash them and pit them. The odd one got picked. You know, it's really hard when you're going to grab for one, a nice ripe one like that, especially when the sun is the way it is right now at the end of the day, and it's hard on the eyes to see the difference in color. But anyway, that's 3 pounds. I will see what 6.5 cups weighs, and I will write the weight in here so that I have that for further reference in the future. And see how many pies. I think I can get 2 pies out of this bowl already. I'm so excited. Looks even better when I have them in this bowl. I will pull the stems all off them, get them washed. I'm not looking forward to pitting them because they're so little. I know I bought a cherry pitter. It's here somewhere. I was joking that Chris was going to have to do it, but he's working on the lighting, and I don't want to stop that from happening. Well, that was pretty painful and painstaking. I got them all pitted, and if I turn this around, it's almost exactly 6.5 cups. So that was 3 pounds of cherries, translates to 6.5 cups, and I think I'll measure it so I have a weight too. So that is translating to 2 pounds, 9.6 ounces. So over 2.5 pounds of cherries in one pie. Or 1,181 grams. I'll round all of this off. I'll maybe do like 2.5 pounds, or what, 1,100 grams?